Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a truck. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know my next drawing, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a sleeping line and slanted line from another end. Now draw a sleeping line and end up with curved edge standing line. Draw small sleeping line and circle for the first tire. Draw a standing line just to close the front side of the truck. Draw another standing line and close it with sleeping line. Now draw two straight sleeping line, close it with curve. Draw a standing line, sleeping line, circle and again sleeping line for the back side of the truck. Now draw upside down U curve on top of both the tire. Now draw another upside down 2 U curve parallelly. Now draw trapezoid shape for the window just by using the sleeping line and slanted line and straight lines. Draw semicircle and slanted line for the driver and 2 parallel curves for the steering. 1 rectangle shape for the mirror and another rectangle shape for the handle. Draw 2 parallel lines and end up with the curve. Draw sleeping lines and 2 small circles inside the big circle. Draw plus and cross lines inside both the circle. Draw 2 small rectangle one by one for the headlights on both front and back side. Draw a sleeping line for the road. A sleeping line closed with slanted line. Draw rectangle box one by one just by leaving small space in between each rectangle. Draw 2 parallel curved straight line for the tree stem. Now draw half curved circle with curves for the tree branches. Now draw sleeping line and M-shaped curve in different shape for the clouds. Start the curve from one end of the line to another end of the line. Let's start coloring. Red color. Today I am going to use oil pastel color. Remember, first give the boundary and start filling the color inside. When you give the color, start from one direction to another direction, line by line, so that you don't leave white spaces. Grey color. Black color. Light blue color. Yellow color. Grey color. Black color. Dark grey color. Brown color. Green color. Finally, the crow by using V curve. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw a snail. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thanks for watching. See you.